Good morning, children, and welcome back to the computer class. So, children, how are you all? So, we meet after a long time, isn't it? I hope you are all well and taking good care of yourself and attending the online classes, which is very important, children. So, children, shall we proceed with the computer class? Okay, all of you take out your computer textbook. Okay, be ready with your computer textbook and take out lesson number 3 as we are all doing. We have already started the lesson. And children, you remember what is today's date? Today's date is 19th of August. Already 18 days have passed and we are in the 19th day of August. So children, what is our name of the lesson? Lesson number 3 is know the major parts. The major parts of what? Our body? No, it is of our computer. Now we'll study know the major parts of our computer. Okay, and we have already started. And what did we study? So children, take out your book and you can see in your book this page of your lesson, which is know the major parts. It's given in your book, this lesson number 3. Now what did we study in the last class? Children, we just learned about the 4 very important parts of the computer. They are number 1 monitor, number 2 mouse, number 3 keyboard, and number 4 CPU. These 4 parts, the name of these parts we have learned. Today we'll study what are the various functions and why these 4 parts are very important to the computer. Okay, children, so shall we start? Okay, all of you take out the textbook. So first part which we'll learn, you can see in a textbook, it is in your second page of the lesson. It's given monitors. Okay, monitors it's given. And which part is monitor? This part of the computer is called monitor. And how and what this book says about monitor, it says monitor comes in different shapes and size. Okay, children, they come in different shapes and sizes. You can see this is of a different shape and this is of a different shape and size. Monitors, new monitors are flat and thin nowadays. Old monitors used to be big and heavy. Now children, you can see this is the new monitor. It is thin and it is flat and it's not much heavy. But before, the monitors used to be big and also heavy. Then what it's written here, children, it's written here, the monitor displays what we draw with the mouse or type with the keyboard. The front part of the monitor is called the screen or display. Whatever we want to write in the computer, we use either a keyboard or a mouse. And where it can be seen, it is seen in this monitor. This is the monitor, this is the screen, and it can be seen there. Okay, and this monitor is also called screen or display. Okay, children, so now let's move to the next part, which is given CPU. Today again we'll study about CPU. And what is about CPU? It says this part we all know is CPU. This is it given. The CPU is also called the brain of the computer. Okay, it's also called the brain of the computer, CPU. It is the most important part of the computer. Now if someone asks you, now tell me which is the brain of the computer, then you can say, I know it is CPU. Yes, because you have studied in your computer class that CPU is the brain of the computer. And why it's called computer? Because the brain of the computer, it's very most important part of the computer. Also, it controls all the other parts. It also does all the calculations for the computer. So it is very important to the computer. It controls all the other parts. This CPU, it controls all the other parts of the computer. It controls the mouse also. It controls the keyboard also. It controls the monitor also. Every in each other part of the computer, this CPU controls. And also it does calculations for the computer. You give any big calculation to the computer, this CPU, it does the calculation. Okay, so children, now let's move to the next, which is our next. This is our next part. And what is the next part? Mouse. Okay, children, mouse. You can see here it's mouse. So what it's given here about mouse, it's given, let's see, a computer mouse has two buttons, one on the left and one in the right. This is the mouse, and a computer mouse has two buttons, one on the right and one on the left. It also has a small wheel in the middle. In the middle, it also has a small wheel, and what it's called scroll wheel. Okay, and whatever we want to write on the screen, you can see this arrow mark comes, and a small arrow mark will come on the screen. We click on it, then on the monitor, this arrow it displays, and when we click on this arrow, whatever we want to do, it does. Okay, children? And what it's written here, it's written, children, since a mouse points towards an object on a computer screen, it's also known as a pointing device. So children, a mouse is also known as a pointing device because it points whatever on the we want to point anything on the screen, we use the mouse. Okay, and that's why a mouse is called a pointing device. The arrow on the monitor screen is called the mouse pointer, and then the arrow which we see on the monitor screen is called the mouse pointer. And here a very interesting fact is written about the computer mouse, and it's given the first computer mouse was wooden. You can see the first computer mouse was made of wood, and very much large also, and very much heavy also. It was rectangular and had a small button. You can see this had a small button in the top right corner. Okay, children? So it's very different, right, from the mouse which we have of today. Okay. Now we come to the fourth part of the computer. Okay, and what is the fourth part? It's the keyboard. Okay, and this is the keyboard. And you can see the keyboard has many keys. The keys on the keyboard are different from the keys that are used to open locks. Okay, these are called keys. Okay, these numbers and letters whichever are there, these are called keys, and that's why it's called keyboard. And let's see what it's written about the keyboard. It's written, a keyboard is similar to a typewriter. This is typewriter. Okay, before people used to type here. Okay, children, this is a typewriter, and before people used to type here, and it looks something like a typewriter, a keyboard. Okay, this is the typewriter keys, and similarly on a keyboard also you'll find these keys. So it's written there, a keyboard is similar to a typewriter used in olden times. Before people used to use typewriter to type anything. We use it for typing text, numbers, or special characters on the computer. A keyboard, what it is used for? It's used for typing text, numbers, or special characters on the computer. It has many buttons on these. These buttons are called keys. Now children, as I have shown you, a keyboard has many buttons. Okay, you'll have numbers also, you have letters also, you'll have question mark, full stop, you'll have addition, subtraction sign, multiplication. Many things are there, many keys are there, and these buttons are called keys. So children, we shall stop till here. Today what did we learn? We learned about the 4 important parts of the computer. Okay, we'll do a quick recap. First we studied about the monitor. It's also called the screen or display. Okay, where whatever we type on the computer, it is displayed in the screen. Then we studied about the CPU, which is the brain of the computer. It does all the calculations and it controls all the parts of the computer. That's why it's called the CPU, is called the brain of the computer. Then number 3, we come to mouse. A mouse, it points anything on the screen. Whatever is on the screen, it's called the mouse points, and that's why a mouse is called the pointing device. Then fourth, which part we learned about the computer? We learned about the keyboard. Okay, a keyboard which has keys in buttons in it, which are called keys, and we want to type anything on the computer, do any calculations, we'll have to press these buttons, which are also called keys. So children, we shall stop till here. I hope it's clear to you, and you will please read the portion which I have explained so that it will be clear to you. So children, we shall stop till here, and okay children, bye bye and take care until we meet the next class.